Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best steaming bags is probably one of the most convenient kitchen gadgets you can own. These bags make it incredibly easy to steam vegetables, fish, and other foods in the microwave, preserving their nutrients and flavors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of food steaming bags, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your cooking needs. Get ready to revolutionize your meal prep. Number 5. Reusable silicone food containers, 6 PCS set. These innovative containers are designed to revolutionize your food storage. They are a safe and eco-friendly alternative to plastic bags, perfect for keeping your food fresh. Made from food-grade silicone, this set is BPA and PVC free. It includes bags, cups, and dishes in various sizes. You can use them for storing a variety of foods, knowing that they are safe for you and the environment. Featuring an upgraded zipper sealing technology, these containers provide strong leakage protection. You don't need to worry about spills or messes, making them ideal for on-the-go use. With a fixed and erectable bottom, these bags can stand upright. The rounded interior and large opening make them easy to clean and fill. The transparent design allows you to quickly see what's inside. These versatile containers can be used for almost anything. From storing fruits and vegetables to marinating meats, they can even replace bowls and dishes. They are also great for storing pet food, cosmetics, and more. These silicone bags can withstand extreme temperatures, from freezing to heating. They are safe for use in the refrigerator, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher. Lightweight and compact, they are perfect for travel. What we like. This set is made from food-grade silicone, ensuring your food is safe and your environment is protected. It features a unique, stand-up design and a wide opening, making it incredibly easy to fill, clean, and store. If you are looking for a versatile, eco-friendly solution for all your food storage needs, from meal prep to travel snacks, you should consider this. What people say. I love the way they stand up, which makes them so easy to fill. That is such a great feature. They clean up super easy. These fit in the cabinet without flopping over. The sizes are great, they are easy to open and close, they don't leak, they are easy to clean, they are wonderful. Number 4. Ziploc Zip-End Steam Cooking Bags, Medium, 4-pack. Want a quick and healthy meal? These bags make it easy. You can have a delicious meal ready in just minutes using this product. These are steam cooking bags. It helps to cook your food perfectly. This product is a convenient way to prepare your meals. Simply add your ingredients, seal the bag, and microwave. It's that simple. This product is designed for your convenience. If you're always on the go, this is perfect for you. It helps you save time without sacrificing healthy eating habits. This product is a great choice. With these bags, you can enjoy perfectly cooked, nutritious meals every time. It helps to retain the flavors and nutrients of your food. Try it today. What we like. These bags are designed for quick and easy steam cooking, perfect for busy weeknights. They allow you to prepare healthy meals in minutes, steaming vegetables, fish, and more. If you value convenience and want a simple way to enjoy nutritious meals without a lot of fuss, you should consider this. What people say. We steam large batches of corn on the cob in the summer, and the bags are durable and thick enough that I can use one for several batches of corn. Diced vegetables microwaved in these bags can be stored frozen until needed for a meal. Make steaming too easy. No double boilers or steamers, just this bag in your micro. Number 3. Winrock Silicone Food Storage Bags, 3-pack. These bags are a new generation of food storage. They are made of 100% pure silicone and are BPA free, making them safe for all your food storage needs. Unlike single-use plastic bags, these Winrock bags are endlessly reusable. They are easy to wash and incredibly durable, saving you money and reducing waste. The bags feature a Ziploc seal to keep food fresh without needing lids. They can stand up, perfect for soups and juices. Just burp them to remove air and pinch the seal closed. These bags are designed for convenience. They are dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and microwave safe. You can even boil them with food inside. You'll receive 3 different sizes, perfect for various needs. Plus, they come with a 36-month warranty. They are small but have large capacity, saving more space. Use these bags as frozen bags, lunch bags, or for snacks and more. They're thick, durable, and perfect for home, office, travel, or any occasion. They are easy to take and use. What we like. These bags are made from 100% silicone, offering a reusable and eco-friendly alternative to plastic bags. The stand-up design makes them ideal for storing soups and leftovers. If you like to save space in your fridge and want a durable, easy-to-clean option for various food storage needs, you should consider this. What people say. I got this 3-bag set more for microwave cooking, particularly steaming vegetables, than for storage, but I've had a chance to use them a few times now and can't believe I've been sleeping on them. It's easy to open and close and easy to open just a tad to vent food while it's cooking. One of our quick dinners is pre-seasoned fish fillets with steamed frozen vegetables, and I discovered that I can microwave both at once, in the large and medium bags, with little monitoring, much less time, trouble and cleanup than doing them separately. Number 2. Ziploc Zip and Steam Bags. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to prepare healthy meals? These bags are perfect for steaming fresh or frozen vegetables. It helps you save time and effort. This is perfect for steaming fish, poultry, and more. It's a convenient way to cook your favorite foods quickly. It is also microwave safe. Each bag can hold 2 to 3 servings, making it ideal for meal prepping. It's a great way to control portions and enjoy a balanced diet. Forget about messy pots and pans. With these bags, there's no cleanup required. Simply toss the bag away after use. These bags are microwavable, so you can easily steam your food. Just follow the directions on the package for best results. It's a simple and effective way to cook. What we like. These bags are perfect for meal prepping and cooking healthy meals quickly in the microwave. They are designed to hold multiple servings, making them ideal for portion control. If you are looking for a convenient way to steam your favorite foods with minimal cleanup, you should consider this. What people say. The bags are easy to use. The food steams perfectly in the microwave. The bags are great for cooking vegetables. Number 1. Ziploc Fresh Produce Bags Large, 15 count. These are Ziploc Fresh Produce Bags. They are designed for storing your fruits and vegetables. This bag helps keep your produce fresh. The bags feature a double zipper closure system. This helps to ensure a secure seal, keeping your food items safe. These bags are perfect for storing various fruits and vegetables. It is a convenient way to keep your produce fresh for longer. Remember, it's important not to cut your fruits or vegetables before placing them in the bag. This helps maintain freshness. Use these bags to extend the life of your produce. They are a simple and effective solution for your kitchen. What we like. These bags are specifically designed for storing fruits and vegetables, helping to keep them fresh longer. The double zipper closure provides an extra layer of protection. If you like to keep your produce fresh and organized in the refrigerator, you should consider this. What people say. Food steams perfectly and evenly. These bags are a game changer for quick and easy meal prep. The bags are easy to use and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.